Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove sound from a video in WhatsApp. Friends, due to any reason if you want to remove sound from a video in WhatsApp, then you can simply do it while sending a video. Now first we will open the chat of the person to whom we want to send video. Now here press on this attachment icon. Now here you need to select the video which you want to send without sound. Now first I will play the video. Now as you can hear there is sound in this video. Now to send this video without sound, I just simply need to press on this volume icon and press on the send button. Now this video is sent on WhatsApp. Now I will play this video. Now as you can hear there is no sound in this video. So friends, like this you can very easily remove sound from a video in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.